Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Odoo 80 tutorial series by Cybrosys. So today in this video, let me teach you how to create a meeting and how to deal with certain things inside the Discuss module. So first of all, let's navigate to the Discuss. So this is the Discuss module. So we are going to first schedule a meeting. So this is an area where people can do direct messages, can create channel and do the communication and all those stuffs. Okay. So I am going to show you how to start a meeting. So obviously you can see a button called start a meeting. So click on that and let's see what happens. Okay. So they'll be asking you for permission for your mic and camera and all. So right now I'm just denying it because it's just for a demo purpose. So here it will be like this, and obviously you alone can't start a meeting, right? You need people. So for that you can click on this particular icon where you can invite people. So I'm inviting Mark Demo. So invite to group chat. So you can see this person has been invited. Okay. So from here you can actually enter to full screen. This is the full screen, and you can raise hands. So this raising hand icon will come here, and similarly you can lower your hand. You can even share the screen. Okay, so I'm just canceling it. So the screen sharing is possible over here. This is for the video, this is for the define, this is to mute it, and if you want to disconnect the call, that is also possible over here. Okay, so disconnecting can be done from here. So this is the notification setting. So for notification, if you want to mute it, or if you want to mute the conversation for any particular period of time, you can do that from here, or you can simply set it to until I turn it back on. Okay, so that's the inviting as well as the muting. Then you've seen search for messages as well. So you can search for particular messages through this. Okay, and then you have the option to attach files. Okay, you can attach files towards it. Then you can see the pinned messages as well as the members. So if you click on members also, you can see all the members, and then you can add people to the this person. You can see this person is already invited to it. So all the people who are invited, or all the people who are involved in this particular meeting, can be found here under the members. So to invite people, what you have to do, you can choose the people from here and invite a group chat, or simply you can here you have a link, you can copy and send it to the person. So now if you click on the members, you can see the people over there. Okay, so this is how it basically works. So I'll put it to full screen. So this is how it looks like, and just clicking on this button, which is to disconnect. So if you want to again start the call, you can do that. So I'm just exiting the full screen and disconnecting the call. Okay, so that's disconnected right now. So that's how a meeting is started and stopped. Okay, so that's done. Now we have a lot of other things here as well. Okay, so here you can see two different things, such as the DM, that is the direct messages, and the channels. So you can create a channel here easily. So here right next to the channel you have a plus icon. Click on that and just name your channel. So I'm naming the channel as new. There's already a channel named new, right? So I'll name one as demo. Okay, so creating a channel called demo. Now I'm going to message under this particular channel. So you can add a description for your channel here. So I'll message as good morning. Okay, so that's my message and I'm sending it. So you can see who created this channel or not. A message has come. Now if you just take your cursor to this particular message, you can see certain icons over here. First of all, we have the option to react to the message. Okay, you can react and you can see how many people reacted with whatever emojis. And then you have the option to reply to that particular message. So take that message and reply for it. So I'm just replying it. And then you have the option to star your message. So once you star it, that can be found under the starred messages. So if you click on that, you can see good morning is there, and some other message which is already starred is there. So going back to demo, and you have the three dots here where you can view the reactions to a particular message. So you can see the reactions, and even you can delete it from here. Okay. And then you have the option to pin it. So they'll be asking for a confirmation. So I'm clicking on yes, pin it. So the message is pinned. So now if you click on this pin icon over here, you can see the pinned messages. Okay. So that's how you pin it. And then you have the option to mark a particular message as unread. So that's set it over here. So if you want to mark it as unread, click on that. And then you have the option to create a thread out of it. So if you just take a look at demo, under that a thread is created called good morning. So under that you can message as well. Okay, thread can be created. through a message into a channel. So that's how you do it. And then you can view the thread because we've already created one. You can view that thread from here. See, that's the thread. Okay, so let's go back to demo, and we have the option to edit the message. So if by any chance if you have any kind of spelling mistake and all, you can edit it from here. Okay, so I am just escape to cancel, so I'm just canceling it. And then you have the option to delete it. So if you want to delete the message, click on the delete icon and confirm it. Okay, and finally you have the option to copy the link. So message link is copied and you can use it somewhere else. Okay, so this is how basically the basic operations on each messages works. Okay, and while messaging also you have the option to add emojis over here. So you have certain emojis here. You can add GIF. So whatever it is, you can search for it and use it from here. So I'm just using this emoji and GIF. Okay. So you have to activate the feature in the settings for using the GIF. Okay. And then you have the option to attach files towards your system. And then you have the voice messaging. Okay. So I'll just allow and try to send a voice message. Hi, hello, how are you? A voice message is created. Okay. So you can send it from here, or either like you can remove it as well. So just click on this and the message will be sent. Okay. So these are the interesting features that you can find inside the Discuss module, the messaging section. Okay. So those many features we have, and we've now learned how to start a meeting as well as deal with the messagings. Okay. You can delete it from here as well. So this is how you can actually schedule a meeting and manage the chats, that is the channels inside the Discuss module of Odoo 18. So I hope it's clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.